Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play EFootball on your laptop. First, you will need to download an Android emulator, which allows your computer to run mobile apps. There are several excellent free options available online. Once downloaded, install it by following the simple on-screen prompts. After installation, open the emulator and sign in using your Google account, just like you would on a new phone. Now that your emulator is ready, navigate to the Google Play Store directly within the emulator's interface. Use the search bar to find EFootball and ensure you select the official game from Konami. Once you have found it, simply click the Install button. The game will then download and install itself, typically taking a few minutes depending on your internet speed and the game's current size, which is usually several gigabytes. With EFootball installed, launch the game from the emulator's home screen. Before diving into a match, take a moment to adjust the in-game settings. You can optimize graphics quality and sound to suit your laptop's capabilities. Crucially, configure your controls. Most emulators allow you to map keyboard keys or even a connected gamepad to the on-screen touch controls, offering a much more comfortable gaming experience. To ensure smooth gameplay, optimize your emulator's settings. Allocate at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores to the emulator if your laptop allows. Close any unnecessary background applications to free up system resources. Finally, spend some time practicing with your new keyboard or gamepad controls. This will help you get accustomed to the layout and master the game's mechanics for an enjoyable EFootball experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.